Narrator. Hello, fantastic English learners, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast's beginner series. I'm your narrator, and I'm thrilled you're joining us today. What are you wearing right now? Do you have a favorite shirt, a comfortable pair of jeans, or a stylish dress? Our clothes are a big part of how we express ourselves, and talking about them is a very common and practical topic in everyday conversations. Knowing how to describe your clothes helps you talk about your style, ask for items in a shop, or understand what others are wearing. That's why today we're deeply focusing on describing your clothes in English. We'll explore many different words for types of clothing, colors, patterns, and even what clothes are good for different situations. Learning these simple yet crucial words and phrases will give you a significant boost in your daily conversational skills. In this extensive episode, you're about to hear a natural and easy-to-follow conversation between two friends, Sarah and David. They will talk about what they are wearing, what they like to wear, and describe different clothing items. They'll use clear, simple English with repetition, making it easy for you to understand and start describing your own clothes confidently yourself. After their conversation, we'll have a short, active practice session to help you use these new words and phrases yourself. Listen closely to their simple English and the useful vocabulary they use. Get ready to expand your vocabulary and practice listening just by tuning in. Let's dive into the conversation and talk about fashion. Sarah: Hi David. How are you today? I just finished choosing my clothes for the day and it made me think about how many different kinds of clothes there are. So what are you wearing today, David? Can you describe your outfit to me? David: Hi Sarah. I'm doing great, thank you. That's a good question. See, today I'm wearing a simple blue t-shirt. It's a light blue color. And I'm wearing a pair of comfortable black jeans. They are a bit old, but they are very soft. For my feet, I'm wearing white sneakers. They're good for walking. So, a blue t-shirt, black jeans, and white sneakers. What about you, Sarah? What are you wearing today? Sarah: Oh, that sounds like a very comfortable and classic outfit, David. A light blue t-shirt, soft black jeans, and white sneakers. Perfect for a casual day. Today I'm wearing a yellow long-sleeve top. It's quite bright. And I'm wearing a dark blue skirt. It's a denim skirt. For my feet, I'm wearing brown sandals. They are open-toed and comfortable. So, a yellow long-sleeve top, a dark blue denim skirt, and brown sandals. I like comfortable clothes. What kind of t-shirts do you usually wear, David? Do you like bright colors or more neutral ones? David: A yellow long-sleeve top and a dark blue denim skirt with brown sandals. That sounds like a nice, colorful and comfortable outfit, Sarah. I like bright colors too sometimes. For t-shirts, I usually wear neutral colors like white, gray, or black. Sometimes I wear dark blue or green t-shirts too. I like plain t-shirts without many pictures or words. They are easy to match with different pants. Do you like t-shirts too, Sarah? Or do you prefer other types of tops? What are your favorite colors for tops? Sarah: Neutral colors for t-shirts are very practical, David. White, gray, black, dark blue, or green. Those are good choices that go with many things. I also like plain t-shirts. Yes, I like t-shirts too, especially in summer. But I also like blouses and sweaters. For tops, my favorite colors are light blue, pink, and yellow. I like bright colors but also soft colors. They make me feel happy. What kind of pants do you usually wear, David? Do you only wear jeans or other types too? David: Blouses and sweaters sound good for different seasons, Sarah. Light blue, pink, and yellow for tops. Those are cheerful colors. For pants, I mostly wear jeans, yes. I have blue jeans, black jeans, and gray jeans. But sometimes, especially for work or something more formal, I wear chinos. They are like cotton pants, usually in beige or dark blue. They are a bit nicer than jeans. And in summer I wear shorts. What about you, Sarah? Do you often wear skirts, or do you wear pants too? What kinds of pants do you like? Sarah: Jeans, chinos, and shorts. That's a good variety of pants, David. Chinos are definitely a nice step up from jeans for a slightly more formal look. Yes, I wear skirts often, especially dresses and skirts in summer. But I also wear pants, of course. I have many pairs of jeans too, blue, black, and white jeans. I also like trousers for work. They are more formal. And in winter I wear warm pants, sometimes made of wool. What kind of shoes do you wear the most, David? Besides your white sneakers? David, jeans, trousers, and warm pants for winter. That's a very practical selection for different occasions and weather, Sarah. It's good to have variety. Besides my white sneakers, I wear dark boots in winter when it's cold or rainy. I also have a pair of brown leather shoes that I wear for more formal events, like parties or special dinners. And in summer, I sometimes wear sandals, especially if I'm going to the beach. So, sneakers, boots, formal shoes, and sandals. Do you have many pairs of shoes, Sarah, or just a few favorites? What are your other favorite shoes besides sandals? Sarah, that's a good range of shoes, David. Boots for winter, leather shoes for formal events, and sandals for the beach. Very practical. Yes, I have quite a few pairs of shoes. I love shoes. Besides sandals, my other favorite shoes are ballet flats. They are very comfortable and easy to wear. I have them in black, red, and beige. I also have ankle boots for autumn and winter in black and brown. And for sports, I have running shoes. So sandals, flats, boots, and running shoes. Do you like wearing jackets, David? What kind of jackets do you have? David, ballet flats, ankle boots, and running shoes. That's a great collection of comfortable and practical shoes, Sarah. It's good to have shoes for different activities and seasons. Yes, I do like wearing jackets. They're very useful. I have a dark blue denim jacket for spring and cool summer evenings. I also have a black leather jacket which I wear sometimes when I want to look a bit cooler. And for winter I have a thick, warm winter coat. It's long and keeps me very warm. So, a denim jacket, a leather jacket, and a winter coat. Do you wear jackets often, Sarah? What kind of jackets do you prefer? Sarah, a dark blue denim jacket, a black leather jacket, and a thick winter coat. That's a very stylish and practical selection of jackets, David. They cover all the seasons. Yes, I wear jackets quite often. I have a light pink denim jacket for spring. I also have a long beige trench coat for rainy days. It looks very classic. And in winter I have a puffy black coat that is very warm. I prefer jackets that are both fashionable and useful. Do you wear hats, David? Or scarves or gloves? David, light pink denim jacket, long beige trench coat, and a puffy black coat. Those sound like very fashionable and practical choices, Sarah. It's good to have coats for different types of weather. I sometimes wear hats in winter. I have a simple black wool hat to keep my head warm. I also wear gloves in winter when it's very cold. But I don't usually wear scarves unless it's extremely cold. Do you wear hats, scarves, or gloves often, Sarah? Sarah, a black wool hat and gloves for winter are very sensible choices, David. It's important to stay warm when it's cold. Yes, I often wear scarves. I have many colorful scarves and I wear them for fashion and to keep my neck warm. I also wear gloves in winter, usually knitted ones. And sometimes I wear a beanie hat in winter for extra warmth. So scarves, gloves, and beanies. What about socks, David? Do you like colorful socks or plain socks? David, colorful scarves, knitted gloves, and beanie hats. That's a great way to stay warm and add some style, Sarah. It's nice to have many scarves. For socks, I mostly wear plain socks, usually white, black, or gray. They are simple and match all my shoes. Sometimes I wear sports socks when I exercise. I don't have many colorful or patterned socks. Do you like colorful socks, Sarah, or plain ones? Sarah, plain socks are definitely easy to match with everything, David. Very practical. Yes, I actually love colorful socks. I have socks with stripes, dots, and even some with funny animals. I wear them sometimes to add a little bit of fun to my outfit, especially when I wear jeans and sneakers. But I also have plain white and black socks for when I need them. Do you wear any accessories, David? Like a watch, a belt, or a necklace? David, colorful socks with stripes, dots, and funny animals sound like a fun way to express yourself, Sarah. It's nice to add a little bit of personality to your clothes. Yes, I do wear some accessories. I always wear a watch on my left wrist. It's a silver watch with a black face. I also wear a belt with my jeans or chinos. It's usually a dark brown or black leather belt. I don't wear necklaces or rings usually. Do you wear any accessories, Sarah? Like earrings, a necklace, or a bracelet? Sarah, a silver watch and a leather belt sound like classic and practical accessories, David. They complete an outfit nicely. Yes, I love accessories. I always wear earrings, usually small silver or gold studs. I also often wear a necklace, a simple chain with a small pendant. Sometimes I wear a bracelet too, especially in summer. I like how accessories can make a simple outfit look more interesting. Do you have any specific type of clothes you wear for sports, David? Like special running clothes or gym clothes? David, earrings, a necklace, and a bracelet. Those sound like lovely accessories that add a nice touch to your outfits, Sarah. It's true, they can make a simple outfit more interesting. Yes, I do have specific sports clothes. When I go to the gym or go for a run, I wear a light, breathable t-shirt, usually made of a special fabric that dries quickly, and sports shorts or athletic pants. I also wear my running shoes and sometimes a baseball cap to keep the sun out of my eyes. It's important to wear comfortable clothes for exercise. What about you, Sarah? Do you have special clothes for sports or exercise? Sarah, light, breathable t-shirt, sports shorts or athletic pants, running shoes, and a baseball cap. That's the perfect functional outfit for sports, David. It's so important to be comfortable when you exercise. Yes, I also have special sports clothes. When I go to the gym, I wear a sports bra, a comfortable tank top or t-shirt, and leggings or yoga pants. And, of course, my running shoes. Sometimes I wear a light hoodie for warming up. I like colorful sports clothes sometimes. Do you have different clothes for different seasons, David? Like summer clothes and winter clothes? David, sports bra, tank top or t-shirt, leggings or yoga pants, running shoes, and a light hoodie. That's a very practical and effective sports outfit, Sarah. And colorful sports clothes can be fun. Yes, I definitely have different clothes for different seasons. In summer, I wear light clothes like t-shirts, shorts, and sandals. In winter, I wear warm clothes like thick sweaters, long pants, a heavy coat, boots, a hat, and gloves. Spring and autumn are a mix. I wear lighter jackets and sometimes jeans. It's important to wear the right clothes for the weather. Do you change your clothes for different seasons, Sarah? What are your favorite clothes for summer? Sarah. Yes, having different clothes for different seasons is essential, David. Light clothes for summer and warm clothes for winter makes perfect sense. I also definitely change my clothes for different seasons. In summer, my favorite clothes are light dresses, shorts, and colorful t-shirts. I love wearing sandals and feeling the sun. I also like swimsuits for the beach or pool. My summer clothes are always bright and light. What are your favorite clothes for winter, David? What do you like to wear when it's cold? David, light dresses, shorts, colorful t-shirts, swimsuits, and sandals. Those are definitely the perfect and most enjoyable summer clothes, Sarah. Bright and light sounds ideal. For winter, my favorite clothes are my thick, cozy sweaters. I have some made of wool that are very warm. I also like my warm, long-sleeved shirts and my winter coat. I like feeling warm and comfortable when it's cold outside. And I always wear my boots in winter. So, warm layers are my favorite for winter. Do you have special clothes for sleeping, Sarah? Like pajamas? Sarah, thick, cozy sweaters, warm, long-sleeved shirts, a winter coat, and boots. That sounds like a very practical and comfortable set of favorite winter clothes, David. Staying warm is definitely key. Yes, I do have special clothes for sleeping. I wear pajamas. I have comfortable cotton pajamas with long pants and a long-sleeved top for cooler nights. And in summer, I have lighter pajamas with shorts and a short-sleeved top. They're usually soft and cozy. What about you, David? Do you wear pajamas or something else for sleeping? David, comfortable cotton pajamas, long pants and long-sleeved tops for cool nights, and lighter ones for summer. That sounds like the perfect sleepwear, Sarah. Comfort is definitely important for sleeping. Yes, I also wear pajamas for sleeping. I have a few sets of soft cotton pajamas with a t-shirt and shorts, because I usually sleep a bit warm. I also have some longer pants and a long-sleeve top for really cold winter nights, but I don't wear them often. So, mostly comfortable t-shirts and shorts for sleeping. This has been a great chat about clothes. I've really enjoyed hearing about your style and what you like to wear. Sarah, yes, it has been, David. I've really enjoyed hearing about your comfortable and practical outfits, and your choices for different seasons. It's interesting how we choose our clothes. David, it definitely is, Sarah. It makes me think more about my own wardrobe. Well, it was really nice talking to you about clothes. I should probably get going now. I have to pick up some groceries. Sarah, of course, David. I understand completely. I hope you find everything you need. It was really nice catching up with you and talking about all these different clothes. Have a great rest of your day. David, you too, Sarah. Maybe we'll see some interesting clothes next time we go shopping. See you around soon. Sarah, see you, David. Practice session. Your turn to speak. Narrator. All right, it's your turn to practice. I'll ask you a question about clothes. Listen to my question, then say your answer aloud. Try to use the new phrases you heard today. What color t-shirt are you wearing today? Say it now. Good. Now imagine you are wearing jeans. What color are they? Excellent. One more. What kind of shoes do you wear for sports? Narrator. Fantastic work. Now just quickly repeat these 3 important phrases after me. I am wearing a blue shirt. She has black pants. He wears brown shoes. Narrator. You're doing great. Keep practicing describing your clothes in English. Conclusion. Narrator. Wow, you've done an incredible job today. You just practiced a very practical and common topic, describing your clothes in English. You can now confidently talk about different types of clothing, their colors, materials, and what you wear for different occasions and seasons. This is a tremendous step in your English journey. Remember to use these new phrases every day. The next time you choose your clothes or see someone with an interesting outfit, try to describe it in English to yourself or a friend. Every time you practice, you're building real confidence step by wonderful step. Keep learning, keep speaking. Don't miss our next lesson in the beginner series. Goodbye for now.